Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable local alarm mode on a ProSeries alarm panel. From the home screen, open up the menu by pressing the button in the bottom middle of the screen. Scroll up to Tools. Enter the installer code. Press Local Alarm Mode. Press the toggle button to enable local alarm mode. Please note that enabling local alarm mode will disable communication with AlarmNet services, but the panel configuration will remain available. If an alarm event occurs, the local siren will sound, but no alarm event will be reported. If you wish to enable local alarm mode, press Yes. The panel will now reboot, and once finished, will be in local alarm mode. To disable local alarm mode, follow the same steps as before. Access the panel menu, scroll up to Tools, enter the installer code, press Local Alarm Mode, press the toggle button to disable local alarm mode. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.